Hi guys, and 870 this time. I kind of just finished her. She's done 95%. I'm still waiting for bits and pieces. Oh my god, like never before. So I don't know where to start. The machine was fully polished, as always. Back fully resprayed. Look at this. We are improving with every work. She actually, one of our sailors lads was thinking that she is brand new. So she was polished, plastic polished here, everything clean around. Tire shy between the tread also. I'm still waiting for some stickers as you see are missing. This is going to. You're wondering how it tastes? What is it? Looks cool, no signage around. So she was a little bit damaged here. I sprayed it up as much as I could. That's fully resprayed side. Resprayed. All polished. All new stickers around. I really like it. This one gonna be fast like the last one. As I noticed that the shorter the video, the more views I get. So let me show you the back one more time. Boom, and I quickly show you cabin and a pickup. So this part also was fully resprayed to this edge. Handles were polished. Dusty here, no? Yes, so top was polished, shooter and polished, glasses clean, inside clean. My boy was actually doing this. He's only 14, so I'm happy. It's acceptable. Let's be honest. Ceiling washed. Our little new accent is the air pressure. Now out of limb to every single job that we do. She's nicely clean around here. He's trying to be like daddy. She's very good. I'm proud of my boy. He has that attention to details. She's a little bit dusty. Like I said, when I come back, as I'm heading for West Coast Rally, now nearly a week off from work, so I'm going to work. I'm on holiday, but I'm still working charity work for free for Motor Club and all the drivers, as I love all of you. So yeah, I will. When I head on to the pickup and I'll show you how the pickup looks like. Thanks for all the views, lads, from the last video. The 990 is actually performing very nice. I am very happy. So yes, this is my pickup. Have a look at this. She was done like never before. I am so actually happy. It's a little bit dusty now, but it's okay. I'm gonna refresh her as she's staying here. Actually, we sold her out, but my boss was so happy about the progress and quality of work that he said he will keep her for our anniversary, which is soon. So yes. Look at these guys. Our spray paint quality improved. Oh my god, crazy hard, as I got a professional air dryer and there is no more water marks. I would call it a water marks. You know, usually there was water in the system as compressor is far away from my spray painting set. Yes, it is what it is. Nicely polished. Nice. Thank you very much. for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, this is my blasting shirt, so at least she can stay dry. I love to keep her under the roof. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for all the subs and all the views. To the next one, guys. Greetings to all the farmers, to Irish farmers and European farmers. Hopefully we'll survive Mercosur. I am hardly against it. I know it's gonna kill our farming, and they want us to eat the poison. Hopefully we will never let it happen.